Hello, welcome to the channel. Today, we will talk about a warm and cozy decor style, full of charm and personality, the farmhouse style. This is a decorative style inspired by the old country houses of American farmers. They have a strong rural character, but it is also very chic. It is essential to escape the decoration full of agricultural paraphernalia. The farmhouse is a very elegant style that is in tune with nature and creates special and very bright environments. It is a current decoration that evokes the past, but it also does it in a very modern way. She can do that through the simplicity of the design, the colors and the materials of that style of interior decoration. That way it is possible to obtain a design look, but it does so in a very familiar way. Using farmhouse style, very exclusive spaces are created. The ceilings are high with wooden beams. The floor and walls are also covered with this material, as were the farmers' houses, which is what we intend to recreate. The farmhouse-style furniture is large and robust pieces, which denotes the passage of time and brings a lot of personality to the spaces. They are in many cases furniture reused or that received a treatment to give an older appearance. The tables are large and rustic, and like the rest of the furniture, the farmhouse was built to last a long time and is made of solid wood. An element that cannot be missing are the rustic benches at the entrance of the house, at the foot of the bed and at the dining table. They are versatile, practical and give this aesthetic contribution characteristic of the decorative style. So, tell me. Did you already know the style? Did you like these ideas? Comment down here, leave your like in the video. And if you are new to the channel, subscribe here so I can send you our news every day. I'll leave some inspirations here on the screen. I wait for you at our next meeting. Bye bye.